So we're at day 10, how exciting. Today's smoothie is going to be using the vanilla hemp smoothie bomb. And we're going to have some raspberries, some cherries, some vanilla yogurt and oat milk. This one is so delicious. So let's start with fruit first. So we're going to put in the raspberries and the cherries. They're a good match together, raspberry and cherries. It doesn't make it too sweet, but it really gives you that fruitiness. Then the vanilla yogurt really smooths it up. This is a coconut yogurt, by the way, but you can use whatever yogurt that you're used to using. I'm going to pour the milk in. Wish me luck that I don't pour it everywhere. See, I've learnt now. Pour it in like that. That's the way. And of course, the vanilla smoothie bomb. Let's give this a crumble. Do not forget to crumble it, of course. Let's put that in. And then the 60 seconds. Okay, so that's 60 seconds. Now look at that. So vanilla, raspberries, and cherries. Put in my thick straw, tuck in.